I am back, says Advocate NelsonchamIsa. Zanapenda mashuku ari kudanyuka pana pabepana reStandard. Vachitora mashuku ekuti aiwa Advocate NelsonchamIsa voti aiwa ndadzoka mugame, aiwa ndadzoka muactive politics. Advocate NelsonchamIsa vodzoka at a critical point patiri kuona kuti tikuona kuti the regime iri kuzama kuda kukanzura ma2028 polls in their favor kuti vakwanise kuextenda their term from 5 to 7 years vatonge vaextende beyond 2028. Sadapenda mashoko amudanyuka panapa subscribe like watomba bell icon. Tipina panapa na umudanyuka mchinzi. From opposing leader NelsonchamIsa, he has announced his comeback into full-time politics, saying he will never abandon Zimbabweans who believe in him to challenge ZANU-PF continue to stay in power. Chamisa said Zimbabweans wanted change before criticizing a plot by some ZANU-PF members to have President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term of office extended from 2028 to 2030. Mnangagwa has repeatedly said that he is a constitutionalist and does not intend to have his term of office extended. Chamisa, however, said the 2030 agenda was nonsense. Over 2 million Zimbabweans have shown their consistent trust and support, and I appreciate that. Chamisa told the Standard yesterday, I will never betray these great Zimbabweans. The whole 2030 nonsense is a desperate attempt to avoid the people and a desperate attempt to avoid the elections. In quotes, it is an attempt to create a window for further destroying our beautiful country. ZANU-PF adopted a resolution at its annual conference last year to have the constitution amended to extend Mnangagwa's term of office, despite the president having publicly expressed himself on the matter. We are going to stop this nonsense the regime extender term nyika kuti akwanise kutonga kusvika 2030. Pena comment section medu dzimafunguro enyu mutikudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.